So next thing we're going to do now is just to fix the lining on the flap, on the interface of the flap. So sew it down. The next thing now is to apply gum. Ensure you apply gum on the both sides to both the lining and the main body. The reason being that you need it to stick firmly. So at this point, there's nothing like you want to manage the gum. But if you need your bag to be strong, you don't need to manage the gum, so you just have to do the needful. So you apply the gum on both sides. So now to the base. Now we're going to fix, that's the D-ring holder. Fixing the D-ring to the base. So while cutting the D-ring holder, the leather for holding the D-ring, ensure you measure your D-ring, the size of the D-ring before you cut, so it can fit in. So you're done with that, you just sew it. Done sewing. Next thing now is to attach the lining to the base. So this is the base of the bag. So now apply gum all around. I said you need to apply gum on both sides. So apply gum to both the main body and also to the lining. Sorry, to the base, yes, and also to the lining. And also, while applying gum to the lining, you just need to be careful so it will not be that much. By the time you're done, the gum is showing at the front part of the lining. So now you're sticking it, so the excess part now you fold it in just the way you're seeing. Fold it in, then sew on it on top. Do the same to the other side. Also fold in and sew on top. So stick to the bag. So the next thing is to pick the main body of the bag and the interface of the flap. The lining on it, you attach it to the bag just the way you're seeing. So I'm done with that. So the next thing now is to fix the magnets to the other parts, which is the front of the bag. So this is how you're going to fix it. Ensure it's aligned, then just press it in the way you're seeing, and it will give a mark. Just use your chalk now to mark it. So watch it again, see the line, place it that way, press it in to give a mark, then you use your chalk or your biro, whatever you're using to mark it. Then with the help of a sharp object, you pierce a hole on the mark line Then bring out the magnet one after the other and fix. Insert the cover. Then with the help of a hammer now, just lock it in. Do same to the other side too. So we're done with that. So the next thing now is to cover that front part with the lining. First of all, cover the magnetic part with pieces of material. Then you apply gum on both sides, both the lining and the main body of the bag. So sticking it now, so the excess lining part now you fold it just the way you're seeing it, then you sew on top. I'm done with that. The next thing now, just fold it the way you're seeing, just to get the middle part. Then you get the base now. So you fix the base the way you're seeing it. If you're using glue to glue it down, not a problem. Or if you want, you can use clip now. So it's just to arrange it well before taking it to the machine to sew. Just have to arrange it well before taking it to the machine to sew. So like I said, it's not compulsory for you to make use of that glue. So the glue is just to help arrange the base to the bag before taking it to machine to sew. If you have your clip, you can clip it as well. So we're done arranging it. So the next thing is just to take to machine and sew around. Ensure you apply your oil, your machine oil. Apply machine oil on the leather as you're sewing. Just apply machine oil so it can move freely. You keep applying machine oil on it so it can move freely. Just keep applying machine oil on it so it can move freely. So you're done with that. You're done with that side. So ensure to trim cut the excess thread. So now we'll fix the main body. Now that's the back side, the back, the top, and the flap. Now so sewing it, I just sew it the same way you did. So if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, just do exactly what you're seeing on the screen so you get notified of all my videos or all my tutorials each time I upload. So our bag is almost ready, and you fix the handle. That's all.